guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at a new 6-piece collection from Painted Phalanges. This indie brand is inspired by Christmas and holiday traditions for their holiday collection that launches on December 1st. The maker is inspired by her favorite family traditions, some of her kids, some of her friends, and conceived 6 beautiful new polishes that each are inspired by a different tradition. So like I said, these are launching on December 1st. The website will be listed in the description bar below, and we're going to go ahead and start swatching. I'm going to go in alphabetical order like I always do. That means we're going to be starting with the Christmas tree green polish called Baubles. The description says, this evergreen jelly polish inspires images of a decorated Christmas tree, and that is definitely true. All the little glitters in there are Christmas tree colors, and it just looks like little ornaments speckling your tree. It says it has a mix of multicolor sheer glitter, multicolor and different shapes of metallic glitter, and it's topped with holographic silver micro glitter. It's very sparkling and beautiful. She says an English co-worker of hers calls Christmas tree ornaments baubles, and that's what inspired the name. So I did 3 coats of this polish. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 coats of everything. So as I build up each coat, I'm getting more of the components onto the nail. I'm also getting a more opaque finish as I go. So I did 3 coats of baubles, and I don't know about you, but pretty much the most iconic thing for me at this holiday season is a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. I can't say that mine is the most beautifully decorated, but I walked into my friend Nicole's house the other day and she had a beautiful Thanksgiving themed tree, and it took my breath away, you guys. I just gasped at her tree. It was so beautiful. I don't have that talent for decoration, but I am definitely inspired by other people's beautiful decorative abilities and a Christmas tree. I'm so glad we're starting with this one because this is definitely so iconic and so holiday. So this is Baubles. The next polish up is Grandma's Recipe, and pretty much all of these polishes are inspired by things that mean something in particular to me, and I feel like that's what's so great about this collection is that all of these things mean something to all of us. Now for me, Grandma's Recipe makes me think of my mom's recipe. My mom is the grandma now in my family, as both of my grandmothers have passed on. But this is one that definitely touches home for me because at Christmas time, what do? You make the family traditional recipes. And one of my mom's things that we always did growing up was make her sugar cookies, make her caramel corn, and take them to all the neighbors. So let me redo the description of Grandma's Recipe. It says, this deep pink polish has metallic gold holographic glitter and silver and copper holographic micro glitter. She says we all have a favorite treat to make and share with family and friends at this time of year, or one that we love to eat. She says her husband makes a special treat from one of his grandma's recipe each year and only during the holidays. So I did this one at 3 coats as well. You could maybe stop at the 2, but I wanted to really richen up this beautiful deep berry shade. It is what I have on my nails today, by the way. So this is Grandma's Recipe. The next polish in the collection is called Let's Go Caroling, and for me, kind of accompanying with the Grandma's Recipe, how we always used to make the cookies and the caramel corn to take to the neighbors. When I was growing up, we would take them, but also carol at everyone's homes. So I don't know actually how many people liked it that much because you have to stand there with your door open while people sing at you, but it was one of my favorite family traditions. And let's read the description of this beautiful icy light blue. She says, I don't know about where you live, but if you go caroling in Idaho, you will be cold. She says, whether you're playing in it or out caroling in it, cold, winter, wind, and mounds of snow inspired an icy blue crelly full of iridescent flakies, metallic turquoise hex glitter, aqua and navy micro glitter, white matte glitter and shreds, and holographic micro glitter. So there are a lot of fun components in this polish that you don't really see in the rest of the collection. We've got these beautiful sparks of this bright, bright blue. I think that's coming out in the iridescent flakies. So pretty, you guys. I'm going to do 3 coats of this to really build up that base so I can get opacity. All right, this one might be my favorite out of the collection. I really love everything, but this one is so stunning. With each coat, I would look at my nail and be like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So this one's called PJ Party. The description says, Christmas jammies. Some families give them December 1st, some on Christmas Eve. Matching or all different, but they all make fun pictures. My family opens our Christmas jammies on the night of the 24th. This blurple polish has an aqua to green to gold shimmer that makes the overall effect look like a night sky, which is so true. As I was swatching this, the contrast of this dark blue purple was just making me gasp, you guys. This gave me all the feels. I love this one so much. So it's just such a rich, deep, saturated, dark color, but with all the livelihood of this bright gold, blue, and green. Ooh, it's just so pretty, you guys. So love this one. I did 3 coats. Again, by the way, all of my photos have been with top coat. This is PJ Party. And yes, I have to say it like that because it has an exclamation point. The next polish is called The Countdown. And this is a beautiful, rich, red jelly polish. It's kind of like red to orange with lots of holographic glitters in there. The Countdown, big or small, I don't think we ever quit counting down the days until our holiday celebrations and presents. It just changes from paper chains to advent calendars and exquisite crafts. The Countdown is a classic red jelly polish with gold shreds, shimmer, and glitter. So the very classic combination of red and gold. This is beautiful, you guys. This definitely can transition to any time of year. Pretty much all of the polishes in this collection, with the exception of maybe Baubles, don't really look exactly Christmas or holiday. They fit there, but they definitely aren't exclusive to this time. So these polishes are going to transition for you so well across the year as you want to wear them. And this is just your classic red jelly. So I did 3 coats of this polish to try to build up that base and getting lots of glitters and shreds and shimmer in there. So I did 3 coats of The Countdown. The last polish in the collection is the ultra super holographic silver in the collection called The Little Lights Are Not Twinkling. So the description on this polish says, watching Christmas Vacation on Thanksgiving kicks off our Christmas season. When we get closer to Christmas, we love to go look at all of the gorgeous lights that people have worked so hard on. That is definitely one of my very favorite parts of Christmas as well. This line from the movie was perfect for both. The Little Lights Are Not Twinkling is full of sparkle. It's a tarnished silver with a mix of micro glitters, shimmers, and holographic glitter that is perfect for a sparkly holiday manicure. 2 to 3 coats. So again, I did the 3 coats. Tarnished silver, yes, that is a perfect description. It's so lovely, and I'm getting the bright sparkle of the blue off of the hollow in this polish, and I'm loving it so much, you guys. This polish is so sparkly, so decadent looking. It's super pretty. And it's funny that this one's inspired by Christmas Vacation, because when I think of Chevy Chase, I don't normally think of like beautiful, sparkly, expensive, but that's what this polish makes me think of. It's so pretty, you guys. Just loving The Little Lights Are Not Twinkling, and I think you're gonna love it too. So that is the end of this collection. There are 6 pieces ready to help make your holiday even a little bit brighter. Again, they launch on December 1st at paintedphalanges.com. That link is down in the description bar below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think and what your favorite holiday traditions are. I really hope this video helped you out, whether it was to serve to just decompress from your day and hang out with me, or if it helped you make your shopping list. So I will see you back for the next video very soon, I hope. Take care until then. Bye!